Are you excited to create videos and avail such benefits? If yes, then make sure you use your fascinating explainer videos in the most efficient way. Hi everybody, John Doe here. In this video, we will talk about 7 effective ways to use explainer videos. 1. Insert videos on a landing page. The website and landing pages are great places to post explainer videos and catch the eyeballs of the visitors. A lot of companies are using videos on their landing pages to influence the visitors to stay on your website and convert them into quality leads. By adding explainer videos on landing pages, the organizations can easily increase the conversion rate by 80%. If you want to make eye-catching video landing pages, check out the link in the description. Remember, the more the conversions, the better the productivity. If you want to enhance your brand awareness and increase traffic to your website, you can have a general introductory explainer video on the website landing pages. This is one of the examples of a landing page that includes an explainer video on the top. The visitors landing on this page and watching the video through to the end will get a clear idea about the role of videos in business growth. Within 2 minutes, the product is defined very precisely. The video catches the visitor's attention and matches the landing page perfectly. 2. Add explainer videos in your emails. Emails can do a lot more than sharing information to the prospects. By creating impressive emails, you can easily redirect your visitors to your website and convert them into leads. Sending personalized and appealing emails will not only help you sell the products, but also improves the click-through rate of your emails. To make the emails more exciting and productive, you can incorporate videos into your emails. Sending personalized and appealing emails will not only help you sell the products, but also improves the click-through rate of your emails. Furthermore, you can also add static images to your emails with a play button. It is not only the easiest approach, but also captures the visitor's attention. This is one of the examples of emails that includes a static image with a play button. The marketers who are using videos in their email marketing campaign can experience 300% more traffic to their websites. Thus, to increase website traffic, likelihood, and business growth, you can use the word videos in your email subject line. It will automatically shift the visitor's focus from the content to the visual text, which will further inspire the customers to buy your product. 3. Use explainer videos for an online advertising campaign. Nowadays, the demand for social media is increasing day by day. There are approximately 3.8 billion people who are actively using social media. If you run online social advertising, you can easily grab the visitor's attention and convert them to quality leads. So, to engage a huge number of visitors at the right time, you can publish explainer videos over social platforms to improve your online advertising campaign and generate sales. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. will receive greater interaction and allow you to share information with a huge audience. Say if you post a video on Facebook, your followers will get instant notification on their feed, which will help you attract visitors and make them familiar with the product or service. If you are looking to promote a new product or share information for an updated product service, you can always create videos and share it on social channels to increase revenue and sales. 4. Incorporate explainer videos into blog posts. Blogs also play a huge role in explaining the products and grabbing the visitor's attention. The longer the people stay on your website, the higher the chances to convert the visitor into a lead. To make people read your blog for longer, you can use appealing and attractive videos in your content. It will help readers better understand the concept and also improve visitors' retention rates. The addition of videos in blogs will allow you to break up the text and keep the readers interested. So, if you want to introduce concepts or complicated topics, then you can use explainer videos. But make sure the video you add to the blog is relevant and adds value to the text. 5. Play your explainer video at corporate events. Inspiring people to choose your product services at a corporate event is not a cakewalk. But by playing explainer videos with subtitles and captions, you can easily make them feel how your product services can help them hit their business goals effortlessly and without breaking the bank. Playing impressive explainer videos on corporate events will help you build an emotional bond with the viewers and inspire them to make a purchase. Also, to convert the visitors into leads and then to potential customers, don't forget to include your website link. It will help the viewers directly visit your website and make an informed decision. 6. Use explainer videos for case studies. Case studies are another effective way where you can use explainer videos to grab the visitor's attention and convert them into leads. Case studies that include videos have more chances to be shown on the first page of Google search. With the help of videos, it becomes easy for potential customers to relate to the scenario and know how to use the product services to achieve business goals. Indeed, videos make the case study more authentic and human. Thus, you can add appealing and informative videos in your case studies to increase ranking and brand visibility. This is an example of the Uber case study, which incorporates an explainer video to make the content more engaging and build visitors' trust. 7. Leverage explainer videos for training and onboarding. Well, no one can deny the importance of training and onboarding. Excellent training will lead to long-term performance and sustainability of new employees. Sometimes, it becomes difficult to retain a lot of information at a single time. As 65% of the people are visual listeners, therefore, you can easily express your ideas, internal company processes, and other information in a planned and entertaining way. Moreover, you can also use appealing explainer videos for customers onboarding, as it will help them better understand the concepts. Marketers are using videos to explain complex products more easily and in an interesting way. Around 8 out of 10 people believe that videos help them better understand the concept and make the right decision. Therefore, to better conversations and increase sales, you can always use productive and appealing videos. Such videos will not only help you nail down a really complicated topic, but also fill in the blanks of the viewer's knowledge. In a crux, explainer videos are almost everywhere on the internet. Organizations are creating explainer videos for various purposes such as attract visitors, convert prospects, explain concepts, increase brand awareness, generate revenue, etc. Well, creating excellent explainer videos is one thing, but using it in the right way is another. I hope the examples posted above will help you know different ways in which explainer videos can be used effectively. Now, what are you waiting for? Pull up your socks and get ready to make your video marketing campaign highly productive by using it in the right way. Still, having second thoughts? Feel free to share your doubt in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed the video, please click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon, and then you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. Thanks for watching.